It is early Thursday morning here in Pittsburgh, and we are driving to the Pittsburgh airport, headed over to Las Vegas, and we're going to be shooting over to the Mandalay Bay, where the video game competition is going to be. So in the Mandalay Bay, in the convention center, they are going to be holding Evolution, and there's going to be a pile of main stage games and community side tournaments. I am helping commentate Street Fighter Alpha 2 with Chris, and there's going to be tons and tons of competition. About 7,000 people had entered for Street Fighter 6 alone. This is the first massive Street Fighter 6 competition, and I believe first prize is $20,000, which is absolutely amazing. Las Vegas, Singapore, and France are offline premieres for Street Fighter 6 for this season of gaming. So very exciting. A lot of people are headed here to test their luck and see if they can win. There's going to be other games there too, of course, King of Fighters, Tekken 7, a bunch of new games to try, the new Mortal Kombat 1, a tester for Tekken 8, and a bunch of cool independent games. There's going to be all kinds of tables for modders, tables for vendors with new equipment and products, arcade parts, arcade sticks, competitive playing devices, and a bunch of artists are going to be there. So very cool stuff, on top of the fact that it is in Las Vegas and everybody's going to be there having a fantastic time. Now the finals are going to be in the arena at Mandalay Bay, and that is going to be top 6 because so many people had entered for time restrictions. And speaking about another very cool game that made the main stage roster is Marvel vs. Capcom 3. So we're going to be seeing that also. Well, we're heading out there, and I'll check back with you soon. What's up, everybody? Made it into the airport, and we are heading over to the gate for Evo in Las Vegas. Okay, and here we are walking out of the general gate area and past where some of the metal detectors are here in Vegas. Now this is where, when we are done with the trip, we would go to check into our flight and get our tickets and everything, but here we are. And usually this area here, they end up changing the shops and the stores and everything around a little bit. They have some pretty cool stuff around. The Starbucks is new. That little area there is new, and there's a Wendy's over there. It's a store with some cool clothes and things. Jimmy John's and a Wendy's. They were a lot of pretty independent named stores. Now they're going for more, looks like more mainstream stores now.
That's not right.
Ancient shark teeth. There's that giant shark mouth again. Okay, everybody, so Javier got a room at the Delano, which is right next to Mandalay Bay. So let's take a look at this room here. When you walk through, there's going to be a living room seating area here with a desk, all kinds of great charging options here against the wall, phone, TV. Great view of outside. There's going to be a mini bar here, a bar faucet, and this refrigerator here has all kinds of water and snacks and things in it. Now there is a small spot for you to put some food if you're interested, but it is censored, so it can tell if you take anything out of there, and then it'll charge you for it. This is the bedroom. Very nice. Another TV in here, plenty of closets and space. Ironing board. And then the restroom. Double sink. Nice bathtub. Shower area. And then, of course, over here, the toilet, which is closed off in the bathroom. TV on the wall. Very nice. So this is one of the rooms here at the Delano in Las Vegas. Okay, everybody, and this is the first step. We are in Mandalay Bay, and we are going to be heading over to check in early for the tournament. So one of the easier things to do is to try to check in early on Thursdays. By doing that, you can already have your pass, and that way all you have to do is go through the metal detectors and the bag check and get straight to your pool or straight into the area so that you can, start competing or walking around early, right? Now, a couple of years ago, down in that area there was a club in there, and a couple of sponsors would have parties for us in the evenings there. So we're going to head down this way. I think this restaurant here had changed. It was a restaurant that was in New York City that I went to with my aunt and uncle years ago. I I don't remember the name right now, but it's a different place now, and it was pretty prominent in New York City. Okay, we're going to head over to the Starbucks and then keep going straight through to the convention area here. Head over to the Shark Reef area. Alright, over here to the South Center. I've heard some people getting some food here at the Border Grill. It's very good. Okay, so then we're going to head over here and up this area. Now, the aquarium is down this way. We will be walking over in here, and we have been heading over this way now for quite a few years. So this is the traditional area that the convention is in. There's Johnny Rockets here. Pizzeria, salad area, Nathan's Hot Dogs at a Subway all the way down at the end. Okay, everybody, so when you get into this line here, this is the line for the general badge pickup and competitor pickup here. If you happen to be in the VIP check-in, I was able to sneak into that. You're going to go into this area right here, and they'll check you in right away. We're going to head over here and see what the regular check-in line is going to be like. We're going to head on right down this hall. Okay, and we are heading down. Okay, so the end of the line is around this area here. You get to see a great view of the Mandalay Bay. A hotel there. This is where a lot of the competition and everything is going to be inside that convention area right there. As we come through, and this is general competitor and the custom name badge, we're going to come through down in here. Here we go. Registration. It is Thursday, noontime, and Evolution badge pickup is live. Everybody getting their badges in the general and competitor badge area here at Mandalay Bay. All kinds of poster boards everywhere with the event information on it. People picking up all their cool stuff, and you get a water bottle with your badge. Awesome stuff.
Arizona 6.5. It's actually 10 degrees hotter there. So the outside.
Well, I mean, like, that's not we base our rules. Oh, break. I mean, you have to guess the right one. Yeah, we'll see them again actually coming up.
Oh, jeez.